Menteri ka Sarkar jala uba deiru UMLA ka BJP uba AL hek haka arpau henru tarik nai luar ahja arpau lai. Ulaong baka jingtong ka BJP sengkemi ya Rikman momin kum Presiden ka parti Meghalaya kan penkhalanya ka parti. Uba hek ulaong ba Rikman ude unong tre balarim baha ka parti bat ulaya khun ka MP election natura hakani ka baladap nalor ude udukot ka National Executive Council ka BJP. Haka juk kapor ulaong baka parti ka lapen krek ban sei kertong nasional bat kumjuk natura haka election MP ka Bansawan.
Man G. Momin he is a national council member of BJP, and he had contested also the last second Tura parliamentary Lok Sabha seats from Garo Hills. So there's no problem at all, and very senior state leader of BJP. I think under his leadership, BJP will make a good strengthen the party organization. Will strengthen. One man, one post. It is overdue, long time. It is supposed to be long time. There's not sudden change.
There has been reports about internal conflicts and nepotism.
If you are the leader, people will look at. There are so many criticism against you also. Why you bother for the? That thing is a routine matter. There's nothing like that. Ladon for Jingialam Basibon, Natasha Basibon, Ladon itu orang lah selama BJP President. The Jingialam Ladon, Kasih Hills Ladon, the Ladon kami negara Hills. Not a question for me. The party, all the national party will decide, the state party will decide. Anybody who is very suitable and capable leader, they will be set up the candidate. There are many persons are there. The gearing up for the Lok Sabha election, both from the Tura and also from Shillong parliamentary seats.
When are they calling for applications?
That not yet decided by High Command. One post no as per the BJP constitution.
But what is your personal opinion?
One man, one post, we should agree with that one. One man.